Hello and welcome to this very special conversation. Joining me today is Lovaii Navlakhi on this conversation, which is brought to you by the Bombay Stock Exchange Investor Protection Fund in association with the Money Mile. Lovaii is one of India's best known certified financial planners. Thank you very much, Lovaii, for coming by and speaking to us. Difficult times we live in. Lovaii, mutual funds seem to be becoming even more popular, and we've seen the whole mutual fund Sahi Hai campaign, and a large number of people are now investing through mutual funds. Though, of course, if you look at it as a percentage of all Indians, the number is still very, very small. So could you explain to our viewers how a mutual fund works? What is a mutual fund? And how can you go about using this as a product to help reach your goals?
So first and foremost, I would sort of suggest that mutual fund is really not a product. It is an instrument through which, or a via media through which you are investing in different products. So if you are thinking of leaving your money in the bank, there is a mutual fund available which sort of replicates that in the money market or the liquid fund. If you are thinking of doing a fixed deposit, then there is a product which is available which sort of replicates a fixed deposit type of investment. If you are thinking of buying a share, there is an equity sort of fund available to invest in. So I think people get misled sometimes by thinking that mutual funds have risk, because everything that you invest in, is uncertain. Yes, it's based on a daily NAV or the movement of the net asset value, but we have to remember that the risk is equal to the risk that holds in the underlying product. So the mutual fund essentially is a mandate that is set up by a fund manager who is telling you that I'm going to invest in this particular manner. If you like that sort of approach, please invest in my scheme. And the fund manager really doesn't have the choice of saying that, oh, markets are sort of volatile right now, I should be in cash and wait for the right opportunity. No, he has a mandate that that particular fund is going to be fully invested in the areas that it has professed. So you can determine as an investor what is the quantum of money that you want to take risk with, how much you want to invest in a large cap fund, how much in a large and mid cap fund, how much in an index fund, how much in debt, or a hybrid fund as well, where you can get a combination of equity and debt, how much to invest in gold. There are international funds. So there's a whole variety of funds that are available for you to invest in.
All right, Lovaii, thank you very much, like always, for coming by, sharing your perspective and your experience with all our viewers. Thank you once again.
Thanks so much.